Do you know how to sing I love you? Let's go read first. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that are all this time. Words only you would hear if you were only mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you look in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words that you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change your lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. And without a word, he handed me this letter. Read, I hope this finds a way into your heart. Wala na nalimot. Sorry, kaya wala ko nasumpayan. I love you time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to kapag yung nakaalam ng pangalan nito, tapos yung artist lagay niya dito. Yung nakalagay, ano lang niya kasi i-subscribe ko naman yung mga accounts niya para magkaroon kayo ng 1 million na viewers. Tapos babay na pala yung nakalagay dyan, napatian niya. Bye.